This is the XIWEYLA 72-piece sandpaper set, a complete sanding kit designed for DIY lovers, crafters, and home improvement projects. The set includes an ergonomic hand sander along with micro and detail sanders, which makes it easy to work on both large surfaces and small detailed areas. I really like the variety of 13 grit levels, ranging from 80 all the way up to 3000, so you can handle everything from rough sanding to smooth finishing. Each sandpaper sheet is color-coded by grit, which makes it quick and simple to grab the right one without guessing. This is especially helpful when switching between steps while sanding wood, furniture, or craft projects. The hand sander feels comfortable to hold and helps apply even pressure, reducing hand fatigue during longer projects. The micro and detail sanders are great for corners, edges, and tight spots where regular sandpaper can be hard to control. This set works well for woodworking, furniture refinishing, DIY crafts, and general home projects. With 72 pieces included, it's a practical kit to keep in your workshop or craft area. If you're looking for a versatile sanding set or a thoughtful Christmas or birthday gift for someone who enjoys DIY projects, this XIWEYLA sandpaper set is a useful and well-rounded option.